The heck did you get in there? Huh?
Climbing right up the...
You making your way back too or what?
Looks like Twilight.
This is where they shot Twilight right here. This is where they climb the trees in Twilights.
Where they make Twilight.
Awesome. Beautiful. Nice.
Where do you go to then? Go bus trail, come through there. I'll try find a way to get over there. Come here and go climb on those logs there, look. Get your bros. Can you come this way? Oh, yeah. Look it down there or down across that one.
So now he's gotta go all the way back and get on that one and come on this way.
Hurry up, Eugene, get in there.
But once he gets there, how does he get back where we are?
Okay, hurry up, boys.
Well, then how did they get back here?
I don't know.
Is there no way back that way? Or get off to get over here?
Eugene!
Oh, he's coming on this one.
Okay, come. Okay, coming back around that way, Seth, and then we'll head her back. Alright, let's press on. You gotta press her on.